Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to Empty Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. So this video is actually something really cool I saw online. A bunch of people were sending it to me, so I figured why not just order some and try it out, see how it works, see if it's actually legit or not. And what we have is, I actually got a huge pack of them right here, so you probably don't know what these are. But have you guys seen the little frame? It's like a little plastic frame that has like 2 layers of like thin film that you can open it up, put like a Hot Wheel or pretty much whatever you want in, close it up, and then it kind of like flexes around the item. I got some of those and I want to check them out and test them out. So let me go ahead and open this up here. Alright, so here we go. We got one frame right there with the film there. You can kind of see it. And it says to push right. Let's see if I can get to focus. Oh, come on. There we go. So it says like push right there. And I can see on this side actually has a hinge. So I'd assume that it just swings. Oh, there we go. So there you can see like the plastic on each side. And then I guess you just literally just set like a Hot Wheel there and close it shut on top. Something else it did come with is these like little round bases. And these are, I would say I don't want to call them cheap plastic, but if you're just like setting a Hot Wheel in here for display, it doesn't really need to be like super expensive, thick, solid plastic. Like this is actually like kind of like nice and heavy duty for how lightweight all of this is. And like I said, if you display it, you're going to set it there and never touch it. This might actually become something that I sell on my website. So I kind of wanted to test it out now and be able to show you guys, but before I forget, if you guys do want to pick these up, there is a link in the description down below so you can pick them up on Amazon. And who knows, maybe in the future I might start offering these on my merch store. So there's also going to be a link in the description down below for the merch store. So if you guys hop on there, I have a bunch of Hot Wheels and stuff for this channel. But also for my main channel, I have a bunch of other car-related products. And I sell like a bunch of different Hot Wheels from like Hot Wheel mainlines, RLCs, premium, monster trucks, and I want to try to expand that a little bit more and do a lot more. Also, when I do case unboxing videos, I can put a lot of those Hot Wheels that, like personally, I'm not going to collect. I can throw them on there and you guys can have like quick access. And if you're looking for like a specific car from a set, like let's say you're looking for like this exact Subaru. For me, I'm going to collect one, but I think this case came with like 2 or 3. So the extra ones are going to be on my website that you guys will have an opportunity to pick up. But let's go ahead and try this out. So I actually have one of my favorite Hot Wheels here, a Porsche 911 GT3 RS. And this thing looks absolutely amazing. And I guess you just set it in here. Also, I hear an ice cream truck outside. So if you guys hear weird music, that's why. So just try to ignore that. It does look like there's a little crumb on here. I don't know if it's on the inside. It is on the inside. Alright, so I guess I'll just set the Hot Wheel. Let me try to hold it up and do it. I guess I'll just set it right in here. And then I guess close it. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that. And then I guess it just snaps shut. Alright. Well, simple as that. I mean, that's actually really cool. I do notice that there's a little bit more room on the back and a little tighter up front. So I'm going to see if I can maybe shift the car back a little bit. And also when you take the car out, the material will be, I'll kind of show you guys this. I don't know if you can kind of see that where it's like stretched a little bit. So apparently you could take like a heat gun or maybe even a hairdryer and go over this and it'll like soften and like tighten back up. So you guys can put stuff in here and then kind of reuse it with different items. Alright. Let me just try to situate this a little bit better because I am going to be displaying it for a long time. So I want to make sure that's kind of like sitting exactly how I want it. There we go. I think that looks pretty good. Let me close that and boom, just like that, it is like popped in there. Like that actually looks really cool. And then I guess some people will even take them and put them this way, but I feel like the Hot Wheel would be like a little too snug. So I even have a Lamborghini Gallardo here and I want to try that next. So then let me just go ahead and set it in this display. And just like that, boom. Now you got a Hot Wheel kind of floating, and with the lighting I have with the ring light and also some like ceiling lights that are really bright, it's kind of reflecting off that a lot. But in person, like without all the lights, it actually looks like it's just kind of floating there. Man, I actually think that's pretty cool. Let me just set that aside. Let me pull out another one here. And there we go. So let me just kind of hold up the Gallardo behind that there so you can see like how tight that would be. I actually really like the way that looks being in the frame like this way versus this way. But I feel like if it's like that, it's probably way too tight. I do want to try that just to kind of see what happens. And if you guys were curious, all right, let me just try to set that there. Yeah, it's kind of hard to get it lined up properly, and it stretches the material a lot more. But yeah, it's really hard to like get the car that far back because it keeps pushing it forward as soon as I start to... Yeah, and it's sitting at like a weird angle there. So with this one, I'm also going to just go ahead and set this in here diagonal. And let's see. Let me move it up a little bit, and then there we go. Just like that, it is in place. Man, this is really cool. I kind of like that. So I actually really do like it with that stand because, let's see, if I put it in the stand, in theory, that should help keep that one side closed. And honestly, it's not going to be able to pop open because the stand is actually, it kind of goes down into it a bit. Shouldn't have to worry about that popping out or anything. But I think that looks absolutely amazing. So let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think. Man, I even love how the Porsche, how it has like the GT3 RS right there on the side that faces forward. But I also have a McLaren F1 GTR in one. So let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of these. And if this is something I should probably start carrying on my merch store. Because I actually think they're pretty cool. Possibly I might start doing that in the future. But until then, there's going to be a link in the description down below so you guys can hop onto Amazon. But also, if you do want to support me, you guys can check out my merch store, and then you can check out everything on there. I do have free shipping if you spend $100 or $99 or more. Like I said, I have a bunch of awesome products on there. But if you guys like the video, definitely go down, hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.